Well, the Matildas wanted to entertain. They certainly did that in Townsville.
It's entertainment plus.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you, mate.
All right, we'll stay with us after the break. Livio joins us and he'll have all the weather details for us.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. We're settling into a classic autumn trade wind pattern this week. Showers are already cranking in the tropics, and by Wednesday they'll spread right down to the southeast as well. It's hard to say why temperatures are still holding in the low 30s with a southeast wind in mid-autumn when they should be closer to 29. Partly to blame is the warmer than average Coral Sea. Let's start with the satellite loop now. Two main areas of cloud today: the North Tropical Coast, where it's been showering quite heavy, and also the Whitsunday coast, a lot lighter, but it's been quite regular through the day. Moving south, it's been generally dry. On today's chart, firstly in the tropics, you can see this offshore trough, and there's a low that's awfully close to the Whitsundays, and that's what's been enhancing showers in the two wet tropic patches. Of course, in the Townsville area, it's generally dry because it's protected from the exposure to the southeast wind. And we've also got a high coming in from the Bight. Now, on tomorrow's chart, that high consolidates, pushes the lows out of the way, increases the ridge of high pressure along the coast. A dry day mostly except for the North Tropical Coast, but by Wednesday, showers increasing in the southeast. Latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters: east to southeast winds up to 25 knots at times tomorrow. Wednesday the same, between 15 and 25 knot southeasterlies, and still no change for Thursday. Tomorrow marks the midway point between first quarter and full moon, which means the tidal range is growing but not that big just yet. First up tomorrow we've got high tide. Herbert and low Burdekin, slight chance of a shower or storm in the north only. Townsville fine and 32 degrees. Ayr also 32, and for Ingham it's 31. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, a fine though partly cloudy day with Charterstown still hot on 35 degrees and Georgetown at 37. Looking ahead for Townsville, cooling down slightly through the week as those southeasterly trade winds get established. It'll become quite cloudy at times, but showers are only a fleeting chance. We've seen an abundance of natural catastrophes around the world this year, so tonight I thought it'd explain tsunamis. Tsunamis begin with an underwater earthquake, a sudden shift in the seabed that sends a small ripple up to the surface. The ripple travels the ocean at great speed, barely noticeable with its long, gentle rise and fall. But as it approaches land, the shallow water slows it down, forcing it to bank up and grow taller. The wave breaks at maximum height when it reaches the shore, pushing seawater hundreds of metres inland. That's it from me, folks. Have a nice evening, and I'll catch you soon.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. That wraps it up. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.